Okay, so this is part two, I guess. I'll introduce the project now. I'm going to show you this making a cut. I'm not a professional, and I'm confident there's probably some better ways to do some things, so I'm just showing you some ideas. I don't know if you can see them. The lighting in this hallway is not real good. I've just put some dots on here with a pencil, and I'm just going to kind of cut around that. They're not even or anything. In fact, this is purposefully lower over here. I know there's some electrical wiring running right around here to this outlet, so I just want to make sure and not get near that. Once I get this hole, then I can kind of get a better idea of what I want to do. I want to make it got straight lines and a perfect rectangle, and I want it to match this other hole over here, which also will have straight lines and be a perfect rectangle. But I'm just kind of making the rough cut just exploratory, let's call it. So I'm just showing you this tool if you're not familiar with it. It's just the, I don't know what to call it, the plunge cutter. Electric cutout tool, I think is what Harbor Freight calls it. So I'm going to start right around here. I'm just going to go around these dots just to show you. It's pretty simple. It's kind of like a drill, and then once you get in there, it's like a saw, if you're not familiar. Okay, there's that cut. Let's see what we're working with here. A little bit of dust. Okay. I got my shop vac handy too. I'm gonna clean this up as I go so it doesn't get too out of control. Yesterday I actually had my wife hold the shop vac and follow me, and it worked pretty well to clean that up, but I can't expect her to be here every time. I can clean it up. Okay, so there's another hole. Yeah, oh, I missed that wire easily. In fact, it's far back enough. I'm not in any danger of hitting that. The bit's only sticking out a little bit on the other side of this piece, and that, there's a 2x4 and the wire has to go around it, so that's like 4 inches back there. Okay, so anyways, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some measurements. I'm not going to film that just because it'll take a long time and be a little bit awkward with me down on my side reaching in there. I'm going to take some measurements so I can go to Home Depot with the cuts that I want them to make. Excuse me, trying to think of the word. Cuts. It's a very big word. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say for now. So I'm going to take some measurements. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'll do next as far as cutting these holes to be perfect. But we'll just see. It's kind of fun. I do recommend having a little towel handy. It's slightly damp, especially if you're filming. You don't want to get that dust all over your phone. Okay, so that's it. Oh yeah, I got to give you my commercials. I won't go on to all the detail. Please check out my wife's website. The link's below. Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, and let's see how this thing goes.